first rule in integration is the trapezoidal rule. First, we familiarize ourselves with the parts of our integration. We have the lower limit a, the upper limit b, and the f of x as our integrand. We have the graph here, and we have drawn the equation. We look at a and b. We have a, f of a, and b, f of b. Draw a straight line from a to b, and we wanna know this part right here. So from that graph, we have 1/2 times sum of parallel sides times perpendicular distance between parallel sides, or we can simply say that 1/2 times f of a plus f of b times b minus a. That's it. We have the main equation as 1/2 times f of a plus f of b times b minus a, and we're given an example of lower limit 0.2, upper limit 1.4, and 6x e raised to negative 3x dx. We're gonna solve for that using this equation. So let's start. Our a here is 0.2 and our b is 1.4, and we have the function of 6x e raised to negative 3x. So we get the function of a, so we substitute a to the x, we get 0.5488, and we substitute that also for the b, or the function of b, and we get 0.10496. okay, and we simply plug those values in our main equation. So we have 1/2 here times 0.5488 plus 0.10496, and we multiply that to our b minus a, which is 1.4 minus 0.2, and we get 0.3923. That's it for our trapezoidal rule. Our next rule is the Simpson's 1/3 rule. We have same a to b f of x dx. We have the graph here. We draw on the equation. Located a and b. So since it's 1/3 rule, we divided the segment into two segments. So we have a plus b over 2. And we simply got b minus a over 6 times f of a plus 4f of a plus b2 plus f of b, or we simply say that h over 3 times f of a plus 4f of a plus b over 2 plus f of b. H is simply because it's b minus a over 2, so we have h over 3 instead of b minus a over 6. So we're given an example just like our example in the trapezoidal rule, so we can compare the answers of each. So we still have a as 0.2, b as 1.4, and our step size is 1.4 minus 0.2 over 3, or that will be over 2 rather, so it's 0.6, and we simply substitute those to our function fa, fb, and our fh, so that we can easily plug those to our main equation for our Simpson's 1/3 rule. Okay, so we have these values. After getting those, we just plug into the main equation. We have 0.6 over 3, or our h over 3 times the f of a, which is 0.588 plus the f of a plus b over 2. That is our 0.4354 plus 0.10496, and we have 0.4791. We can get their true error. So for our trapezoidal rule first, as since our TV is 0.59, our approximate value is 0.3923. We have here the trapezoidal rule a while ago. We have 33.51% of true error, and we find the Simpson's one-third rule error, and we get okay, so we have 18.79%, lower than our previous true error. So that's it.